Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable background app refresh on your iPhone 11. So the first step is to open your settings app. And in settings, you want to select general. And then you want to scroll down until you get to background app refresh. Tap on it. Tap on background app refresh again at the top of your page. Then from here, you should see options on how to enable or disable it. So if you want to turn it off, simply select this off option, and then you can exit the settings app knowing that you've successfully disabled background app refresh. However, if you want to turn it on, then you have two options to choose from. You can choose to select Wi-Fi, or you can choose to select Wi-Fi and mobile data. So if you choose the option Wi-Fi, it means that background app refresh will only work when you're connected to Wi-Fi. If you choose Wi-Fi and mobile data, it means that it will work whether it's connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. So it's up to you to decide which option you prefer to use. Once you've selected your option, you can now exit the settings app. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.